My name is Elvis Ali, and I'm involved in educating the public on natural health supplements to achieve optimum wellness.
Family Care Nutrition is a rising star within holistic wellness for the entire family, from pregnancy to seniors to sports enthusiasts. Their nutrition products and supplements are made in Canada of over 25 years research and manufacturing experience and are supported by a team of wellness professionals invested in the health of your family and our community.
Family Care Nutrition was founded because we wanted to educate the public with precise and accurate information. Family Care Nutrition is also about providing holistic treatments, whether you need a naturopath, a nutritionist, an acupuncturist. But most importantly, Family Care Nutrition was founded to give back to our community.
Family Care Nutrition is invested in all Canadians' health over a lifetime. They offer free initial consultation with their team of wellness professionals, in person or online, to support you on your wellness journey.
I'm Dr. Flora Wong, and I'm a naturopathic doctor. We utilize different types of natural remedies in order to help a patient to feel better. We see patients from pregnancy right through to seniors. During different stages of life, we suffer from different things. For example, during work ages, we suffer from a lot of stress-related conditions, and it can cause a variety of health concerns. And when we get to older age, we tend to have more of a joint problem, heart problem, and sometimes it could be a memory problem.
When you think about what we offer when we speak about holistic medicine is not just taking a pill. It's educating the patient to take responsibility for their health, be it to change your diet, exercise a little bit more, but really focusing on the combination.
Holistic medicine works with the entire healthcare team, combining traditional medicine and complementary and alternative medicine.
Well, unfortunately, there's a lot of misinformation out there. We need to really educate people about evidence-based medicine. We need to get people the facts and not to believe everything that they see or they read online. So it's very important for people to understand that natural products are mainly used for preventive medicine. You could work with other healthcare practitioners, but I believe holistically we could work with conventional as well as naturopathic and other holistic practitioners.
Canadians who are interested in learning more about holistic wellness or would like to speak to a family care nutrition wellness practitioner may visit the website below. They can help you. FamilyCareNutrition.com